You need something? Man, I'm sick of this quarantine. Yep. Tell me about it. What makes you say that? You seem like you're pretty entertained. Because I'm stuck here with you. Well, did you at least order the new parts for the car? Yeah, man. And how long until those get here? Look, dude, you already know the answers to all these questions, considering that you are me. But I thought I was you. Well, you can't be you if you are me. Well, you can't be me if you are you. Look, man, if you really want to do something, why don't you rearrange the room? Hey, good idea, me. Don't mention it. Wait, how can I be me if I'm you? Alright guys, so today's video is without a doubt going to be completely different than all my other videos. Unfortunately, it is raining outside, and it has been raining for days, and it's probably going to continue to rain for days. So while I'm trapped inside, I've decided that I'm going to completely rearrange my room. I did a poll over on Instagram to see if you guys wanted to see a video like this, or if I should just wait it out and wait to do car content. And to my surprise, the overwhelming majority said that they wanted a room reorganizing video. So here we are. So the plan today is to take this desk and put it over underneath the window. Then we're gonna move the bed out and put it over in this corner where the guitar amp and the dresser is, and these are probably gonna go in this corner. So we're kind of doing a big loop. Everything's shifting. It's like musical furniture. We're also gonna be putting up some curtains in kind of like this L here. You'll see what I mean in a minute. But that's because recently I've been struggling with like keeping my work environment separate from just like my chilling environment. So that with the bed and the guitars and everything on this side of the room, we're gonna separate it from that side of the room over there, and that's gonna be like a miniature office in the room. That way it's like whenever I'm in the work zone, that's when work is getting done, and whenever I'm in the chill zone, this is where the chilling happens. And lastly, I've got a whole pile of new goodies and things for the room. There's also some car mods in that stack with more videos coming soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so quick update. I got this corner completely emptied out, and then I also got the bed stripped. There's still a fitted sheet on there, but I might not even take that off. So next I'm gonna move the bed from this wedge over to here. I'm recording this on my phone, it's a little bit strange. I'm in a bit of a pickle here. Bit of a pickle. Alright, so I just finished getting the window side of the room completely cleared out, and before I can move the desk over here, I have to clear it off. But those two monitors that I've been using for my computer are going away because the resolution on them is weird because they're both TVs and they don't match in size, and I've been needing new monitors for like ever. I've never had two brand new matching monitors, so I splurged a little bit and I bought new monitors. But it's gonna make editing these videos so much easier. I can't even tell you how much easier that's gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear off this desk and then move the table over, and then before I move all the rest of everything over into here, I'm gonna quickly vacuum this corner because it's kind of gross. You know, it's seen better days. It's not exactly nasty because the bed is here, but there's a lot of like dust bunnies and nasty things. So I'm gonna get back to it. So I was about to go get the vacuum cleaner to vacuum up the floor over here, and then I realized that I've actually trapped myself in my room, so I need to finish rearranging a little bit before I vacuum, but I'm gonna do that, I promise. Alright, so here's a quick status update. Got the desk in the corner, and I got the dresser and the amp and the guitars back in the room. So I couldn't really find like a super effective use of this space. So what I did is I put the TV on top of the dresser, and then I put the guitars, like the guitar cases, in that corner down there. I thought about maybe pushing this whole amp back into the corner because I don't really use the huge amp that much. But I just thought it would look kind of weird, and I think it's better to put the guitar cases in the corner. Alright, so I saved you guys the boring part of me just vacuuming and rearranging a little bit of stuff because I honestly just have so much stuff in here that the last 30 minutes or so was literally just me rearranging things. The last thing I'm going to do tonight before I make like a sick little jump to the next day is I'm going to go ahead and set up my computer and open up those brand new monitors. So, here we go. Oh Lord. Dude, what? What is up with this tape? Are you kidding me? It goes all the way. Okay, there we go. Is that like a taser? Ooh, there we have it. So this is a nice brand spanking new monitor. Also, it's a bit wider than I was expecting. Somewhere over the rainbow. Alright, so there we have it. That one got a little dirty trying to assemble, but I don't think that there is a better sight than seeing two brand new monitors on our table. But I'm gonna finish setting up the desk and then we'll cut to the next part of the office build. Okay guys, so I haven't picked up this camera in a couple days because the day after I recorded what you would have just watched, it was actually sunny. So I went and recorded the next video, which will probably come out a few days after this video goes live, so stay tuned for that. But I wanna go ahead and finish this video, so the last thing there is to do is we need to take down this ceiling tapestry, move that light fixture to here, because there's a light under there, and then we're gonna put a new light fixture in there, hang up the curtain rods, and then probably clean the room, honestly. It's kind of a mess. Oh geez. We got some plates. Yeah, it's not looking so great. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, so I'll see you guys on the other side.
Point it at the end so you can put the wire nut on. It's not like a
car. Yeah, it's not like
right. Auto electrical.
Well,
I know.
This is an automotive channel. Notice the light quality, it's so much better. I'm being attacked by cobwebs, fuck. Look at that. I'm a freaking pro. That's the smell of freedom, baby. Alright guys, so earlier when I was putting these hangers onto the curtains, I realized that I should have bought 2 packs because I was 4 short. And the reason why I liked these ones is because they have the little rolly things on them, so that way they'll like glide along the bar really well. But unfortunately, I went back to Walmart and they didn't have any of these left in stock, and I just need to get this done. So I went ahead and I picked up just the standard ones. They're not gonna roll, but they'll glide fine. These curtains aren't that heavy. And I made sure to get 2 packs so that way I don't run out of hangers. Alright, there we have it. Hey, look at that. One more curtain to go. Yeah. Oh wow, one of them is backwards. There we go. Alright, so I've got everything hung up and everything's in place. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some small things. I'm going to put the rest of the guitar hangers along this wall in the office area. And then I'm going to clean up the room a little bit. So I'll see you guys in just a sec. Alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know that it was just way different than everything else, but this was honestly just so necessary for me. I feel like I can actually kind of think now in this space, and it's not just like a huge cluster of all of my belongings, and it actually kind of feels more like my room. The next video is going to be getting back to car stuff, so don't worry, I'm not like changing the direction of the channel. This was just something that I really wanted to get done, and I honestly think that the video is coming out pretty good. So if you haven't already, be sure to leave a like down below. Also consider subscribing for more car content. Browse the channel if you're bored and you're stuck in quarantine. And as always, peace out and dream big.